Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you are quite well. Here is light effects, lights overlay, DSLR effect, color effect, sparkle effect, set other. Okay, firelights. These files are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now in $2.99 for lifetime password access of my any videos or website data. Okay, here is color effect. I know you can edit in Photoshop. Wow. Next is DSLR effects or DSLR lights. Wow, resolution is 1080. Amazing, especially data for photographers. Here is fire lights. Amazing. Overlay lights. Here is 144. Next is sparkle effect. Wow. Last is the others. Okay, so start in firelights. For example, import in Photoshop. Okay, we need a image, low quality, like this. Click on screen, overlight, soft light. That screen is I think best. Wow, here are there, depend your own choice. I think here is better. Same thing is wow, you see here okay. Depend on your own choice, you can do very easily. Next is DSLR effect. For example, like this, open in Photoshop. Wow, so you can edit in Photoshop and password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK, buy now for lifetime access. I hope these files are useful for you. Subscribe me. Allah Hafiz.